your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am dyeing my hair an Auburn orangey reddish color. I'm so excited. It's the same stylist, Michelle O'Connor, the Michelle O'Connor. I'm excited for her to be doing my hair. She did do my Rizzo cut. I will link that somewhere below so you guys can kind of look at that video as well. I do have my hair already done in my fro right now. What I am gonna get is a trim, and I'm gonna get it colored. I want to take you guys on this experience because you guys love my Rizzo cut and how she did and how informative she was. So I wanted to kind of bring you guys along for this journey as well. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I love the color. I fall in love with it. My appointment is at 10 a.m. It is 9:30 a.m. so I'm on the road trying to get there on time because I'm very punctual, just like that. So yes, I'm excited. So I'll bring you guys along the whole process. Okay.
Brown root stage. So I feel like if you're gonna go for it, I would lean more towards just getting it
all the way through,
all the way down, because you will pass through that stage when you have roots and the red beyond it.
Okay.
That way you could experience both sides
versions of it. Yeah. Okay, I'm down.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm excited.
You should be. You should be
excited.
It's a beautiful color. You could totally be that with your coloring, and you're gonna feel like you just, you know, sometimes when we're searching for something different to do to our hair, and we're like, we got braids, we got this, and we did the wax, and someone gets hair color, it's kind of like they're like, oh my gosh, this is like exactly what I needed to feel like new again, like fresh again, and excited about my hair again. Right. Like if you feel like you're not getting a cut, you're not changing the shape, color is definitely what you do to feel like super excited.
Okay, I'm excited. I feel like my hair has gone through a lot of journeys. It's finally growing out how I like it. So yeah,
it's very full, looks cute.
Thank you. I try. I try.
Did you do a rod set or?
Yes, but I've been loving the flexi rod sets. Yeah, how I like the curls it gives me.
Yeah, they're bigger.
Yeah, and I like it. And it makes it look more fuller, which I like. Yeah.
All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of just detangle you, spend some time detangling you.
Okay.
Any last requests?
No. No. I'm excited.
I'm using Matrix, and it's a lightener with bonder, so that means that your hair's integrity and strength will remain intact. Okay. Now we're gonna start in the front. You're gonna see your hair starting to lift, so just kind of a little what to expect. Okay. Right now. And so each section I do, I'm gonna kind of put a little baggie so it can isolate and process, but here we go.
I'm excited. I think it'll come out nice.
Oh my gosh.
I know it is.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
Because I remember last time I was here, we're like, oh, we should go honey blonde, like do like honey blonde tips, like or just like highlights.
Yeah, we planted a color seed.
Yeah,
we certainly did, and I think it's just really, I love that I'm seeing the natural girls really embrace getting color, because there was a time when we didn't do as much color because we were just relaxing.
Yes.
And if we colored and relaxed, then we had broken hair.
Yeah.
So now it's about preserving your curl, making sure that you still have that beautiful curl, but also have beautiful color. I did a color very similar to this on someone who, she does real estate. She was like out and about somewhere eating on South Beach, and Solange stopped her and was like, oh my God, I love your red. I love your color.
Oh
yeah, yes. So I got this red. I got this red.
I'm not sure what I see. Cupid, don't fuck with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. You ain't no G, she likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no G.
Some pieces so that you have some.
I actually like this color.
That's what everybody says. No, Cynthia, you cannot like this color. This is not a color.
I like
This is just raw. You cannot
no,
like this color.
I like this color.
Stop it.
It's like giving me Beyonce. Check it out.
Except for if not.
But it looks.
No, this is just
like this
hair
color.
void of color. I've extracted
Okay.
your color, so no, you cannot like this. You're not allowed to like this. This is not money right
My
here.
curls look really good
This
though.
This is not expensive. This is not expensive hair.
I like this color.
This does not match any of that.
But I
So,
like this color.
You know why you like it? Because you're just seeing your hair be lighter right now.
No, maybe we should just stop here.
Mm-mm. This is not a color.
I like this color though.
Trust me, you're going to love where we're going. Just trust me.
Oh my God, everybody on my channel loves you.
What?
Yes, they love you.
Gosh.
They're like, can she travel to me? I'm like, I'll, contact her on Instagram. Maybe she can come.
Oh wow.
Yes, they're like,
I
oh my
love
gosh, she has a
that.
good, she just, I guess they love how you, explain everything. Because one person was just like, I love how she explained your hair as a growing tree, which is so true. I'm like, I didn't think about it when you first said it. I'm like, oh, it does make sense.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, because I teach hairdressers, so because I'm always in sort of like a teach mode,
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, well, it's important to teach clients too, because
Yes, I want to be able to take care of my hair.
look, people are trying to figure out what to do. People are still trying to learn about their curls. Because you're gonna go through that, you're gonna have like that beautiful red copper, and you're gonna go through so many lives with it, because it's gonna fade, it's gonna continue to get lighter. Trust me, you're going to be in love with all of it. But right now, this is the first stage. So, when people tell me they like the color that their hair has been extracted to, I'm just kind of like, that this is just your hair.
This is like
void.
the process, right?
Yeah, your hair just void of anything right now. You'll get back to this, because you know why? Because this is going to be underneath.
Okay.
So this doesn't really go away. It's like as your red starts to
Fade
and get like, this is underneath it.
Okay.
So when your hair is black, you can't put red over that, because it wouldn't show. So that's why we extract the color out of it. But this is just basically an extraction without pigment and no beautiful tone. Even if we're going to stay light like this, it would still have to have some sort of tone.
Okay.
Like, it couldn't just live here. But this is exciting, because it's like the first step of like, okay, we're like, now we have a canvas. Now we're working with a canvas. We're going to make these pieces. We've got to make these a little bit lighter, right? So these pieces that are going in the foil will be even lighter. And what we're going to do with all the color that's hanging out is that's going to be the first step of our red.
Okay.
So we're in there now. Let's then kick up a little bit lighter, so we have those nuances of like lighter and darker and lighter and darker, all still in the red family, but just like tone and tone and tone, because hair is not its most beautiful when it's just solid. Like if you look at
that makes a lot more sense.
If you look at a child and you look at her strands, any child, you'll see that there's differences.
Yeah.
Like there's some lighter pieces, darker pieces.
Yeah.
And really, that's all we're ever trying to emulate. You know when children go to the beach all summer?
Yeah,
And they come back and they're
blonde,
like, and they're really fuzzy around the front and it's like blonde.
Yeah.
We're trying to emulate with hair color that we do as hairdressers, something that looks like multi-tonal. And that's what gives it that sort of dimension, that visual interest. Anything else will look flat.
That makes a lot more sense.
It's like the minute you put some air in your hair and you kind of get rid of dead ends, I feel like the hair just...
Yeah, it takes off.
People are always afraid to cut their hair and they realize that when they do, it just, your hair just goes.
I'm not afraid. I'm like, it'll grow back.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, I'm like, it'll grow back.
Whatever you do, don't put black, put dark brown.
Dark brown on top?
Yeah, never black.
Okay.
Because when you want to change again, black is a very difficult color to take out of the hair.
Okay.
So, medium to dark brown, never black.
Okay.
You'll probably start seeing getting real light again probably by April.
Really?
It'll start to gradually get lighter because it's red.
Yeah.
It's red. And red in terms of chemistry and hair, red is the biggest dye molecule. So red doesn't sit in the hair for a very long time. It tends to kind of wash off over time. So red is a high maintenance color. So the other thing to consider is like, what if you want to keep it like really rich and really red, is to use a shampoo and conditioner that has pigment in it. So there's a brand called Celeb Luxe that makes a shampoo and a conditioner that is various colors. So like blonde, brunette, red, copper red, violet red. And every time you shampoo your hair, it's coming out the color that you want to maintain. Yep. So that's another option. But that's like someone that doesn't want to let their hair fade out. Someone that wants to keep it really rich and exactly the same. So that's the kind of maintenance that you would be looking at with like a red. There's also one from Biolage. It's a conditioner. And it also has pigment. So it's like you would shampoo your hair and then you would put the conditioner in your hair and the conditioner would be the red.
The red color, yeah.
And so it would kind of just, for like 10 minutes, just kind of reinforce keeping that red fresh and vibrant and not even vibrant. I'm going to use the word rich. Matrix will be very happy. I might have to bum some content off of you.
No, you're fine. I'll send it to you. I'm telling you, everybody on my channel loves you.
I love it. Makes me feel good.
Yeah, they're like, oh my god, like, is she only in Miami? I'm like, yep. I that's one place I know I get my hair done in Miami. But like to contact her on your Instagram. But yeah, we're gonna go red.
So you see this comes out one color, but about the science of hair color and how to make things do certain things and how to counteract things that I don't want it to do. A person that's just dabbling is not going to understand that.
I agree.
So I'm not saying you need to go to a hairdresser for everything, but hair color, you need to see a hairdresser.
Yeah, that's fine. I wash my hair in cool water all the time.
Cool water will hold your color in.
Okay.
Warm water is going to release it.
Okay.
So I like to use as cool as possible.
You can still like this. You see the blonde pieces?
I know, but they're going to be red too.
Okay. I love it. Looks nice.
Well, I'm glad you think so.
Kind of pretty thing, drove you wild, but
drink all of the red that was on the shelf, huh?
All of it. Like I was like this.
I can tell. Like you, so many reds back there.
I'm not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't fuck with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes. I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Don't think about it, boy, leave her alone. Wow, you ain't no G. She likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no G.
Hey guys, I wanted to end this video. This is day 3 here after my color. I absolutely love this color. I cannot wait to rock it. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.